Pakistan is a Southeast Asian developing country having a population of more than 200 million people. More than 70% of this directly and indirectly linked with agriculture. A typical village having 400 to 500 households with 8 to 10,000 farmers living in it, and each village on an average having 2,000 hectares of cultivable land. The characteristics of smallholder farmers having 2 to 3 hectares of land with 4 to 5 animals, which produces primary food and income for them. My name is Shoaib Tufail, and I'm working on a project with the help of ACIR, Australian Centre for International Agriculture Research, and we are working on development of village-based forage seed enterprises for the profitability and sustainability of smallholder farmers of Pakistan. There are some problems of low livestock productivity in Pakistan.
Twice a year we have fodder gaps here. The severe winter time we have no fresh fodder. And then in the severe summer months we don't have fresh fodder. And because at that time the temperatures are so high that the fodder is not of that quality that we need for our animals. So that is one of the biggest reasons we go for silage. But it's a challenge. I mean, if those hot months are not only a challenge for fodder growing, but they are a challenge for animal health at the same time.
Farmers have some basic needs at farm level which can overcome these problems.
Quality seed for maximum fodder and nutritional fodder and less irrigation water for growth.
Almost 100% of the farmers, they grow berseem crop as a winter forage legume. So that's one of the things which makes it really significant. Then the second thing regarding that one is the adaptability. So if farmers are producing in such a great number, so that means that every farmer is actually grow the berseem clover, and he needs at least a certain quantity of berseem seed. Third point into that one is that the farmers are using the indigenous varieties, which is ultimately producing less quality of forage, of poor quality as well, and also it not contribute in terms of the seed production at the end of the day, and again create a big gap in the seed demand and supply. The last thing into that one is that the farmers have no mechanism of seed production at the village level, which is ultimately, you can say, if they are not have that the proper production technology at the farm level, so how they can produce the seed. The most realistic approach would be to involve these farmers into that one, and we can develop a farmer participatory research approach in which farmer give us the feedback and we develop this project. We just select 5 of the small farmers in 2 districts of Pakistan, which is Kasur and Ukada. And we work with those farmers from the point of seed selection and land preparation and throughout the whole production technology, which involves the forage production, the variety selection, and the seed production. And at the end of the day, they make a substantial amount of income as well as the seed produced, which they sell to the other farmers. Out of those 5 successful small-scale business enterprises, we see that farmer can generate up to 420,000 rupees per hectare, which is a huge amount of money, and it's probably 3 and 4 times more than the money they will generate from any other cash crop grown in that area. That pilot project actually runs into a great success story, and we believe that this would be a realistic approach in terms of improved variety selection and dissemination of the improved variety to the farming community, and that could be workable not only for the whole country of Pakistan, but all other developing countries in the world.